Hello, I'm attorney Lewis Haskell, and I just prepared a video talking about the new IRS letters that they're sending out. The letter 6419 concerning the advanced child tax credit, and the letter 6475 concerning the third economic impact payment or stimulus payment. These letters are important. If you have them, by all means, bring them to your tax preparer. This video is about what to do if you do not have them. You didn't receive it, you didn't realize it was important and threw it away, whatever. The good news is, for most people, that's likely not a problem. Most people received their $1,400 per person. So if you're a family of four and you received your $5,600, you can just come in and tell me. Similarly, if you started receiving $300 or $360 per child in July and you received that money every month until December, again, you can just come in and tell me, as long as you are absolutely certain that that is what happened. The problem comes in when you're not sure, or when you're estimating, or when you're guessing. Because if the number you put on your tax return does not exactly match the IRS's records, your tax return then has to go for special processing. That means a real live human being has to touch it and deal with it. And that's been a problem lately. The IRS reported November 23rd that it is still processing 15 million 2020 tax returns. So they're starting this tax season behind. There is no reason to believe that this tax season will be smoother than last tax season. And so if you are wrong in your guess and you put in the wrong number, you could be waiting months before you get your tax refund. You'll get it. Don't worry about that. You will receive your tax refund, just not in anything that resembles a reasonable time. So what do you do? Most people will have had their payments direct deposited. So all you have to do is go back to your bank records. If it's a stimulus issue, you should have received your check in March or April. I would check May or June just to be on the safe side, but you should have received your check in March or April. If we're talking about the advanced child tax credit, those payments did not start until mid-July. And so you can check your statements from mid-July 2021 forward to see how much money that you received. Other people may have received a paper check and deposited it directly into their account. Same thing. Check your bank statements. Beyond that, you're probably going to want to talk to your preparer about how to pull your transcripts. Unfortunately, that information is not going to be available for a while, so it will slow things down again. So again, the best thing to do is to save these letters when the IRS sends them to you. But if it's too late for that, then the next best thing is to go through whatever records you have and try to figure it out. But the most important thing is that you be accurate. Trying to save a couple of months may cost you something more like 6 or 9 months or even a year. So I look forward to starting this new tax season and dealing with these interesting new issues that we have this year. And I'll make some other videos about some of these other issues that are uniquely 2021 tax filing season, which of course is now. Until then, be safe and be strong. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.